Oh boy, Uganda is beautiful, man. I love Uganda. Bro, it's crazy. Never know, you mean what? Oh, I'm going to do money. There's a new midwa. If you are a hamburger, no, that's my favorite song at the moment, though.
To get them to radio.
Bro, I'm calm, man.
Vipi? Nyabura rachite wasimanga yekola.
Nyabura banekizanga
nekuwaze.
Nyabura wenakawa
kaze kukalira.
Nawokubendulu nesirukira. Nalikumbe mirozo imigumu.
Labra. Nabuli kalunchi
Nayera kagale. Nayesiri sikulimba.
So rock my one. I'm sorry, can't love you for now. If I don't, if I goes by God. Oh my, she used to be my girl. Ram-ba-ba-ba-my.
Lovely woman.
Together. Yeah.
Lovely woman.
Why don't you be my lady? Lovely woman. And listen to my story.
My sweet love story.
Ronaldo Piso.
Every day I'm
Somebody's already a tough combination.
feeling me the lost in me.
Come on, we tell them all. I'm a real top and I'm in a city temptation. She's the girl that's rotten. It's a blessing that you want to come to tea. Love me. Turabo. Mumanyano yekusuwashira, sicho? Oyagala kwegana. Muno bamukyayira mu press conference. Press release. Naye owalaba ka press release ng'oli wakaye n'okalaba ku kitimba. Kebakuba Rikimani ate akalala ke kaliwa. Olowooza otya bw'okalaba? Muno
My baby's right there.
omukyala waze naye kiriwa? Bamuyitaani? Grenade otukubye so. We've really appreciated. Wale wangambye nkubuuze nti opulaningayo ka concert.
Of course, you're
going to do a concert.
Of course, we go get over.
Once tata.
Yeah.
Elugogo cricket off. Mwaka guno. This year
December over January.
You have a concert in January.
Yeah.
Cricket off Elugogo.
Yeah.
Nganene.
It's not big, bro.
What? Come on. We have DJ Magic Francis ready.
Forever.
Let it be.
Alright.
Run away. Grenade is super about I don't have any.
Thank you so much, guys, for coming out tonight.
Yeah.
I appreciate you, and the vibe was crazy. I've seen my best friends, I've seen my best friends in the building. All this table is for my best friends. Here, my brother, Honorable Derek, thanks for coming out tonight.
Honorable Derek, big up on yourself. Yeah.
Major, and everyone else, man, who's in the building tonight.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming out tonight. Big love, yeah?
Honorable Derek.
Even my brother, don't Chris. Don't Chris.
Gurnet.
Come on. Let's not gonna put this on this one. I don't know
Shoba kuzengule ya kitaawo. Tuzimudize. Okay, quick one. No, this is not our show. Chris, this is not our show.
Yes.
We are to appreciate Mr. Henry. This is a good initiative, yeah?
Yeah.
So I told this man, you know, let's appreciate Henry for this ideology. Wait.